St. Xavier's College, Mumbai. There are courses which requires no entrance exam. And yes, guys, the best course in St. Xavier's College requires no entrance exam. Guys, in this video, I'm going to tell you that in Xavier's, how you can study without any entrance exam and which are these courses and how to apply. So make sure, guys, that you watch the video till the end. Hi guys, welcome back to Media Mentor. If you're here on my channel for the first time, I make a lot of informative videos for students, so please do subscribe. And yes, indeed, I make exclusive, authentic video on Xavier's College, Mumbai, because I'm an Xavierite and I'll guide you through that, how to apply in Xavier's, how to crack the entrance, and also which are the good courses and overall review. So make sure that you subscribe. So guys, talking about the entrance exam in Xavier's College, there are only 3 courses that requires entrance exam. One is B.Com Management Studies, second is Bachelor of Mass Media, and third is B.Sc IT. Apart from that, any other UG course requires no entrance. Yes guys, you heard it right. There is no entrance for BA, BCom, regular B.Sc, and indeed your BAF, which is Bachelors of Accounting and Finance. So these are the courses that is without entrance. And if you're thinking that why BA cutoff is so high, because there's a massive demand for BA Psych and BA Economics in Xavier's. Usually the cutoff is 98, 99. The reason is it's a minority college, which means there's a reservation for Catholic students, 50% reservation. And when you talk about courses like BA, BCom and regular B.Sc, there is in-house quota as well. So if there is 350 seats, first it is reserved for Catholic students, then there are in-house students. So open category and outside students only get limited seats such as 70-75 seats. So that is why the cutoff is really high. So do let me know in the comment box, guys, that are you interested to study in Xavier's? Why are you aiming to get in Xavier's? So guys, I have a team who will help you for admission handholding. So if you're not from Mumbai or you are an NRI student, you can reach out to us on this WhatsApp number for admission consultation. My team will help you with the whole process. Coming to BCom, so if you are planning to study in BCom in Xavier's, which the cutoff is not that high, the reason is it's an evening college. So I usually don't recommend BCom in Xavier's. The reason is you will not have a regular timing. It is most recommended for the students who are working or need a part-time course. So if you're applying for BCom, there are various other colleges which are really doing good in commerce. You should apply in that. Or if you're planning to do CA and need a BCom, then yes, Xavier's can be a good option because you will get enough time to do your regular classes, coaching in the morning time. But if you are looking for a regular college for BCom, Xavier's is not a great option. Talking about B.Sc course in Xavier's, regular B.Sc, it's quite decent but not as great as other courses. When you talk about BA, BMS, B.Sc IT, it is decent, I would say. And last, BAF, which is Bachelors of Accounting and Finance. It's a self-finance course, but so far there is no entrance. And if there is any entrance that will be announced for 2025, I'll keep you posted. So as I said, please do subscribe to get all such informative updates. Also guys, if you want to get in touch with me personally for one-on-one counseling session regarding any confusion that you have about your career, about colleges, you can contact us on this WhatsApp number. My team will share all the details with you. And lastly, if you ask me about the overall review, guys, Xavier's as a brand name is really good. It does help you to get the right kind of exposure. And yes, it comes under university college. जब आप search करते हो ना कि government colleges कौन से हैं मुंबई के, so we don't call it as a government college, but yes, it's a university college. The fees is quite reasonable, so it's not very expensive. Xavier's being a university college, the fees is very reasonable. I have made several videos on Xavier's of 2025. There's a whole series you can go and watch on my channel. The link is in my description box. So I hope guys the video was informative. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for a lot of such informative videos on Media Mentor. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.